Every business is just like a car, and as a car needs fuels to work, but business also needs some kind of fuel to work well. And if you are a service-based business, your ultimate fuel is the leads. And if you are someone who is looking to generate leads from their website just by spending their time once, then stick to this video till the end. Hey, this is Web Strategies Hertz, and I help you here to get more bookings, generate leads, and build conversions from your website. So do subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in the future. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the process of lead generation, which I personally use is the lead magnet. And I'll share the benefits of using a lead magnet, which business can install a lead magnet on their website. And till the end, I'll show you step by step how can you install a lead magnet successfully on your website that will effectively collect leads and convert the visitors into customers. Let's talk about some of the benefits of using a lead magnet. It can convert the people who visit your website into leads you can target through email marketing campaigns. It can generate you hundreds of leads for every week for unlimited time period. It will also increase the trust relationship between you and your future customer that will help you to get them easily converse. Now a question arises, who can install a lead magnet, or which business profile should prefer to use a lead magnet? If you're a business who provides services or who get bookings from their website, either it is an online based services platform or offline one, you can use this lead magnet and it will effectively generate you quality leads. So let's see step by step how can you install a lead magnet onto your website. So here we are. So first of all, we need to know what should be your agenda of making a lead magnet, because at last you have to put some values and some content in that lead magnet that will effectively work with your future customer or client. Your main goal is to provide a effective, doable and easy to achieve success. So there are many types of lead magnet which you can create and effectively generate leads. So first is the swipe file or a checklist. In this you will provide a checklist or a swipe file in which you're gonna let them know that what are the main targets, what should be your strategies, or any valuable stuff which you think that you should share with your customer, then it will provide some value for them. The second type is the cheat sheet or secrets. It's similar to the first one where you will provide some valuable, but here the thing is you are sharing some of your personal case studies, secrets which we can say, and providing what you should do or what you should do not. The third one is the podcast. This is much effective than the above two, because here you are in front of your customer and they are getting some feeling of a human behind this lead magnet. The criteria is same, that you should provide some valuable content in it that will doable and achievable goal within less time. And the fourth one, which is my personal favorite, is providing a video format. This is one of the best lead magnet which you can use, and it will definitely help you get more conversions and reliability of your business increase. But you have to make sure that your lead magnet, whatever you are providing in any format, either it is a podcast or a YouTube video or a swipe file or a cheat sheet, it should be a thing which is doable and provide some results within less time. So now let's begin and let's create a lead magnet for as an instance. So first and the foremost thing, you have to decide a lead magnet headline or a lead magnet name. Why is it important? A lead magnet headline or a name is just like a hook from which you can grab fishes from the river, as same you can grab visitors to your lead magnet. So having a right headline of your lead magnet will directly impact your lead generation and conversions. So now let's see what things or what phrases you should add in your lead magnet headline to make it more attractive, to get more clicks on it. So you can add phrases like secrets, success, tricks, mistakes in your lead magnet, and let's see how we can add it. So here's our first example for a business which is looking for better ROI. Top 3 business success secret which can drive 10x ROI within a year. If you're a service is consultant business which provide consultancy for the content creation industry, here you can use the lead magnet as how can you successfully get your first 1,000 subscriber within a week. Or if you got expertise in a field and your customers are also from the same field, you can give some advices or some corrections to them that what should they do or what they do not. Like 5 mistakes which you should avoid, which I made earlier when I started. Here you can see the every lead magnet title or headline is result orientated and time bounded. Like in the first one, the 10x ROI, bringing the result in front and within a year explaining the time which it can take. Similarly, for the next example, the 1,000 subscribers are also the result they can expect, and within a week represents the time which they're gonna put in it. The main thing is your lead magnet should provide the value which your headline describes. So these are some of examples which if you are in this industry you can use as similar. And let's create a lead magnet for a business consultation agency which provides strategies for any business. Here you can see the main headline is success plan for service-based business, and the subheadline denotes 5 practice what is working now strategies to 10x your growth within a year. Similar to the previous one, we have denoted the results and presented the time boundation which it can take. So this is how you can create your lead magnet. Now the next steps comes is to design it much more attractive. So I refer you to hire a designer for it, because even if you have a good valuable content but your designing is not good, so your lead magnet will never gonna generate conversions for your business. So I refer you to go on platform like Fiverr, where you can hire a professional graphic designer within $50 to $100. I just hired a graphic designer from Fiverr, and let's see how our outer cover of our lead magnet will look like. So here what I get within 2 hours, and don't be scared, it's just a representation. I'm not gonna print out my lead magnet into hard copy. It's just an image which you can put on your website to make your lead magnet more attractive and to get more clicks on it. I really like the 3D texture of my lead magnet, and now I can put this lead magnet onto our website. So here we are in our WordPress website, and I personally use the Elementor page building plugin on my WordPress website. And if you want to know how can you develop or design a website without even knowing the coding part and making it from the scratch to a lead generating machine, then click on this button up here where I will assist you step by step how can you build your website and make it live within 1 week. So let's get our lead magnet cover picture here. We will click on the style and choose the image and just grab your image and place it here. It will automatically upload here. Then click on insert and let's customize it little bit, make it little bit down. I think we need to change the size of it and make it little bit here. I think it looks perfect. We can check it here. Okay, and let's put the heading here and the subheading here. Let's customize it a little bit. Make it size something like 18. Let's change the upper heading, or either I'll delete it, and this is a checklist, so I will clear it out, and here how it is look like. So now let's add the sign up form here and select the form, and let's see how it will look like. I think it's much better now. And if you want to know how to write a converging content in your lead magnet which can increase your conversions by 10 to 12%, then click right on this video where I'm gonna assist you step by step how can you create a converging content in your lead magnet.